Zip Pay, your everyday spending BFF, but what's the spending limit? Ever find that perfect outfit online, only to panic at checkout because it blows your bank balance? Or maybe you need to grab some groceries, but payday feels like light years away. That's where services like Zip Pay come in. They offer a handy way to buy now, pay later, spreading out the cost of purchases to make them more manageable. But before you go on a Zip Pay shopping spree, there's one crucial question: how much can you actually spend? That's what we're diving into today. Zip Pay versus Zip Money, understanding the difference. Now, Zip actually offers two different products, Zip Pay and Zip Money. They both let you split payments, but there are key differences. Zip Money is like a virtual credit card with a higher spending limit, designed for bigger purchases. We'll talk a bit about Zip Money later, but for now, let's focus on Zip Pay, the one for your everyday shopping needs. Zip Pay, your limit to shop now, worry less about later. Alright, Zip Pay. Super convenient, but what's the magic spending number? The good news is Zip Pay is all about responsible spending. They assess your situation, your income, spending habits, and credit history to determine your individual limit. This means your limit could be different from your friends, even if you both have Zip Pay accounts. Here's the general range to give you an idea. The starting point: many new Zip Pay accounts start with a limit around $350. Reaching for the stars, or a higher limit as you use Zip Pay responsibly, making your repayments on time, your limit can gradually increase. Some users report reaching limits as high as $1,500. Making the most of your Zip Pay limit. Here are some tips to keep your Zip Pay experience smooth and potentially snag yourself a higher limit. Be a responsible repayer. This is the golden rule. Make your repayments on time, every time. This shows Zip you're a trustworthy customer and increases your chances of a limit bump. Keep it active. Regularly using your Zip Pay account and keeping your balance under control demonstrates responsible credit management. The power of no. Don't max out your limit right away. It's tempting, but Zip will be more likely to increase your limit if you keep your spending in check. Zip Pay versus other buy now, pay later options. The world of buy now, pay later is vast, with many players offering similar services. It's always a good idea to compare options before settling on one. Here's a quick Zip Pay comparison to some popular alternatives. Afterpay. Afterpay offers limits similar to Zip Pay, typically starting around $350 and increasing with responsible use. Klarna. Klarna has a wider range of limits, from a few $100s to several thousand, depending on your situation. Sezzle. Sezzle functions similarly to Zip Pay, with limits starting around $250 and the potential to increase over time. Zip Pay, the final verdict. Zip Pay is a great option for managing everyday purchases and building a responsible credit history. The exact limit you'll get depends on your individual circumstances, but with good financial habits, you can expect your limit to grow over time. Remember, Zip Pay is there to help you manage your spending, not replace a proper budget. So, shop smart, repay on time, and watch your Zip Pay limit climb. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.